One of the most common questions when starting YouTube automation is, what niche should I choose? So today, I'm gonna go over a bunch of different niches that you can take for yourself. Funny chess. And this is literally the reason why I started getting into chess. I found this channel and I'm like, I should get into chess. But it's actually genius what they're doing over here, because it's not just any regular chess commentary or just analyzing of games. They actually have pretty good humor and an actual storyline to it. Like, look, I even watched 2 of these videos in full length. Not for research purposes, but because I was thoroughly entertained. So, I mean, let's take a look at one of these videos over here.
This is already pleasing. What about the White King? Where is he?
After winning all the previous series, he said that you are too weak.
So this is genius right here, because every single time in the beginning and the end, it always prefaces the previous episode. And the previous episode is, I mean, you have to go ahead and watch that to go ahead and see what happened. But there's basically this whole battle between these different pieces. The owner of this channel gives personalization to these character pieces. And it's not even too hard to do something like this. All you really got to do is just screen record something off like chess.com or whatever chess game you play. But the hard part when it comes to this is actually putting in the humor and doing the script for this and making it over 8 minutes long so you get those juicy 2 ads per video. The editing, I mean, it's nothing really too fancy for this. It mostly has sound effects. Like, you can even hear the music too, like da 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 da. And I really enjoy that just because I'm a really fan of sound design. I'm a sucker for that. A bunch of zooms in it, and you could see right here they have 19,500 subscribers. They have 44 videos. They started back in February 2023. March, April, May, June. It's been 4 months. They have more subscribers than this channel. They have more views than this channel. Why? Because they went ahead and did one single niche, chess. This is chess, so odds are the audience is probably going to be a little bit older, and I would say maybe like a $7 to $10 RPM. If we look at the total views for the past 30 days, 2.6 million views. If we look at their total views, it's 3.5 million views, and they started this again 4 months ago. So the majority of their views came on this month. So let's do the math over here. 2673. And let's even lowball this. Let's say they make a $5 RPM. That's 13,000. That's over $13,000 for this channel. Yo, that's amazing. And if we go for like an average 7.5 CPM, or RPM, 750 times 2673, $20,000. That's really impressive. And the next channel that is also just as impressive is presso. Now this is going to go ahead and be obviously another chess channel, but the only difference with this one is they actually went ahead and implemented some shorts. So not too many, they kind of stopped after a while. Most of their shorts that got was a little over 300,000 views. And this channel started back in February 18, 2023. So the same month. So I didn't even go ahead and check this, but I didn't even know they both started on the same month in February. So that's crazy. They've gotten even more views, well, because they have shorts. They're getting over 1.5 million views for the past 30 days. Now, this also counts shorts, so I don't really know how to put that, but let's even lowball it. Let's say it got the majority of the short views these past 30 days. So let's hit it with the 1 million views for the past 30 days. Yeah, I don't even have to do the math. That's roughly 7,500, averaging a $7.50 RPM for this, which is pretty insane.
This again?
Why must you annoy me so?
Oh, he's in his demon form again.
Sup, Grandpa? What do we have today?
You have got to be kidding me.
Yeah, see, it's literally like the same thing off the other one. Maybe this is even the same channel owner, but they went ahead and did a different style. I don't know. Yeah, it's still impressive. And both of these chess channels on top of that, they're using a lot of editing, a lot of sound design, but most importantly, if you noticed it, they're using AI voices too. So it seems like AI is probably working considering they continued doing that. Now, moving on to the next channel, it's going to be Noobmaster69. And I don't remember how I came across this channel, but listen, whether you like Andrew Tate, whether you hate him, I don't care. Watch one of these videos because this is hilarious. Right here, if Andrew Tate was in a horror movie, if Andrew Tate returned to high school, if Andrew Tate worked a 9 to 5, yeah, this is like comedic genius, and I love it. Like, it's crazy what people can come up with. So let's take a look at this Scream one. I didn't see this video, so I want to see what this one's about.
What do you want?
I want to play a game. Movie trivia.
Nah, fine, bro.
Bye.
Oh my God! Please, please, I'm not in the door.
Oh my god! But yeah, this channel is so genius. I'm just impressed with all this. And most importantly, they used a power figure. Andrew Tate is huge on this. They went ahead and used them. And there's another power figure over here that I'll show you in just a little bit for the next channels. But right now, on this one, it's genius. And again, it's not too hard to go ahead and do this, but it's very tedious. Like, the person behind this, the editors behind this, whatever, the team behind this, they have to go ahead and compile so many clips. I've noticed in that video, they have similar face reactions as this previous video, Andrew Tate Returned to High School, or this one when I watched before. So this probably means that they go ahead and get a lot of clips and they go ahead and just label them maybe for reaction or face, just so it's easier for the editor to go ahead and plug and play. But yeah, the creativity comes with like actually using these movies and putting Andrew Tate in these situations to whatever ridiculous things he says, and them like continue playing out in a movie. And yeah, again, this is really creative, man. They also use shorts, so let's see how many shorts they have. Oh, okay. They only have 5 shorts, which barely equates to views, so we're not even going to consider this in the channel stats. They started December 25th, 2021, have amassed over 14 million views. 4.5 million views per month for the past 28 days. Oh, they're Irish. Now, for the RPM for this, I'm not sure. I'm guessing this is a little bit more on the low end because this is probably entertainment, although this is categorized by people in blogs. But let's just say this is a $5 RPM. So $5 times 4,493 equals 22,465. What? That's crazy. That's insane. Like, yeah, and even if their RPM is even worse than that, let's say it's $2.50. We divide that by 2, $11,000. Let's say their RPM is even worse than that. Let's say it's $1.25. $5,600. I mean, that's still nice. That's still fine. And the thing is, with all these channels here, they're super creative on this. I mean, this is something I never would have thought of. Anyway, moving on to the next video, it's going to be B2 Studios. Now, out of all these videos, I would say this one is the hardest one. And if I had to go ahead and recreate one of these channels, it would probably not be this one. Actually lies. Maybe it would be the next one that I'm about to show you. But first, going to B2 Studios, they're basically using AI. They're training AI. And personally, I don't know how this is done. You have to go ahead and get on the computer. It has to go ahead and constantly go through iterations of training. A lot of failures until it realizes, oh, this is how I do this because of a prize. I've watched a bunch of those videos. I still don't really know how it's done or what program they're using or whatever. But regardless, what does matter is this channel posted 8 videos, has 207,000 subscribers, amassed 15 million views, even more than the Andrew Tate one, and they started back in January 2021. So yes, it has been a while, but keep in mind, think about it this way. If it's been 2 years and you only made 8 videos, but you amassed 15 million views, it's still pretty good money. Let's look at the channel stats over here. 2.267 million views in the last 30 days. And they haven't even posted anything in the last 30 days. But they still gained 36,000 subscribers. All this stuff over here, all this on this channel, this is evergreen stuff. This is AI things. And the best part is back in November when ChatGPT blew up and a bunch of stuff started happening in the AI sector, maybe this is when things started taking and getting momentum. That's the beautiful thing about YouTube. Just because you don't get views now, that doesn't mean you won't get views later, especially if you produce some quality. And this channel's quality. Let's look at their stats again. 2,267 times, let's say an average RPM of $5 again. It's 11,000. It's 11 bands right there. 11 bands per month and 8 videos. Yes, it takes a lot of work. But think about it. You're only focusing on one video. You can go ahead and focus on making it your best, absolute best thing. And this is really when you have to ask yourself, do I want to do quality or quantity? Now, the next one is unexpected AI. Let's take a look at this video. think you got the gist of the video. This, oh my gosh. This takes so much work, man. A lot of dedication, but the person who made this channel got heavily rewarded. Nearly 400,000 views, nearly 9,000 subscribers. And the channel owner for this is going to go ahead and be Wano YouTube Strategy. And if you're not subscribed to him, or if you're not following him on Twitter, I'd recommend following him. He doesn't call himself a YouTube strategist. He simply goes over strategies for YouTube. And this guy, yeah, he's succeeded in channels in the past. And this is a channel that he personally put a lot of time and a lot of work into, and he was heavily rewarded. I mean, just looking at this, it took 3 months and a total of 500 hours to work to make this video. The risk was huge, but without it, it would never have happened. On YouTube, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. And so looking at these videos always go ahead and make me think, maybe I should go ahead and put even more time developing a better storyline on my Faceless channel. Just because you have to focus less on putting out many things and focus more on just making sure that one thing is good. But it has to be a really good idea, and it also has to be evergreen. So if somebody watches it today, it's still going to be relevant later on. An unexpected AI, Wano_strategy, did just that. This video would be very hard to replicate. Very hard. Although it's cool, like, oh yeah, this AI is going ahead and learning this. It takes a lot of time, man, just for the AI to go ahead and finish this. And not just that too, but also to go ahead and put a storyline. Like in this whole video, I believe there's no words in it. It's music. The story is being told through music, through the visuals, through the words. This is like a silent film. Whatever that guy's name, I'll put it up on screen over here. That person relied on music. That person relied on visuals. That person relied on subtitles. And this is exactly what Wano did for this channel. And yeah, but nonetheless, let's move on. President's Play. I randomly came across this channel like months ago. I don't know if it was this one. Maybe it was a different one. I think this was the OG one that I found, and others started copying it. But they have 35 videos, nearly 200,000 subscribers. And you guessed it. This channel is about presidents playing video games. We got Wii Sports. We got Super Smash Bros. Oh wait, that's Super Mario Bros. We got more Wii Sports. Now we got Super Smash Bros. Mario Kart. Excuse me. Yeah, this is genius.
Doing golf next?
I can agree to that.
Golf is fun, but the 9-hole takes too long.
Oh, well, Joe, are you going to fall asleep or something?
Now, Joe's right. Let's do one of the 3-hole games.
Fine, but it better be expert because that's exactly what I am.
Okay, keep talking to yourself, Don.
Oh my god. This channel is genius. I said that to like every single channel, but damn, this channel is genius. You're taking power figures, you're taking presidents, people that are in serious positions, people that were in serious positions, and you're putting them in a situation where nobody would think possible. What if all the 3 presidents were playing video games? And how do you think they would talk? Like, they emulate these characters with these scripts like perfectly. Like, this is exactly something Trump would say. This is exactly something Joe Biden would say, just be all confused and whatnot. This is exactly things Barack would say. Obama, my bad. Making this video, again, it's not too tough. All you got to do is play Wii Sports, go ahead and screen record, screencast, whatever. But the hard part is writing the scripts for these and making them entertaining. Because although, yes, the graphics, the video editing, it isn't the best. The thing that makes this video is the humor. It's the scripts. And this is why I say the scripts is the most important part of the thing. Scripts can make up bad video editing, but a bad script can't carry good video editing, in my opinion. And again, of course, they're using AI for this. Now let's take a look at what they're probably making. Now they do put shorts, but they've only put 8 shorts, which accumulated a little under 200,000 views. So we're not even going to consider that. Over the past 28 days, this channel has gotten 1,400,000 views. Now CPM. I talked to somebody in regards to CPM for gaming, and it's not the best. They were getting roughly $2, I want to say. And if you recognize that guy, it's right here. Jamie Owers, you should subscribe to him. Awesome guy. If we say it's $2 CPM for this, times 1,405, $2,800 for a channel like this. I don't know about you, But if I had a channel like this, literally using AI, playing video games, and just making a video out of it, I'd be pretty happy with that. It's pretty fun. And you know what else is pretty fun? This other channel right here, Cucumber. Now, when I was going back, finding that AI Presidents channel, I went ahead and stumbled across this channel over here. Again, it's the same situation. It's literally Presidents, AI voice, good humor. But this time, oh, what is this? Minecraft? In the back rooms? I don't know what this video game is. But more importantly, League of Legends. Now, I quit League of Legends months ago for my health. I've been happy ever since. But I will say, watching this video, or one of these videos, maybe it's from a different channel, watching the video of presidents playing League of Legends made me want to play League of Legends again. But then, when I continued watching the video, continued hearing these presidents, AI presidents, complain about the struggles of League of Legends, about the imbalances, I realized why I quit. Now, this channel, Cucumber, also posts shorts. They have 12 shorts. Most popular short, 31,000 views. So they have less than 100,000 views per short. So I'm not even going to consider them in this calculation. We look at the channel stats, 200,000 views. 200,000 times, again, this is probably making $2 RPM, like last time for gaming, roughly $400. And this channel is on the up. Now, right here, we took it full circle. AI presidents, back to chess. I found this after the fact, after I found those other chess videos, but looking at this, I'm like, wow, this is genius, because this is exactly stuff they would go ahead and say if they were playing chess.
Hey, Joe, I bet the presidency that you can't beat me in chess.
You stupid orange. I already am the president. You're just running away from the feds and want to be the president again. Guess what? I'm gonna beat you in chess.
I knew it. You wait, what?
I said I'm gonna beat you in chess, you ding-dong.
Well, chill, guys. What's happening here?
Joe said he's going to make me the president when I beat him in chess.
Are you thinking straight, Joe, or are you sure this is what you want?
Of course I am. Trump's got nothing on me. Not on Dark Brandon.
All right, then. I guess I'll be the referee, making sure nobody does anything fishy.
If anything's fishy here, that would be Joe Baby here, because he's a...
Hey, stop it.
Also, word of advice, don't think too hard. You're going to use up your single brain cell if you do.
Let's get him, gentlemen.
Oh, yeah. And again, the video quality for this, it's not the best. Like, they're literally using the same picture over here, going back and forth. Same thing as before, just moving, zooming in, zooming out. But the most important thing is the scripts on these. And these scripts are on point. I know confidence is a big thing. But personally, I don't think I could do something like this. But if you want to see me do something like this, make sure you leave in the comments down below which channel you want me to recreate. But beforehand, they've only got 2,700 subscribers. They have 4 videos. AI Presence was started 2 weeks ago. It was started May 5th, Cinco de Mayo. It's literally been 2 months. 300,000 views. Oh wait, no. 1 month, my bad. This is what happens. You put videos, you barely get views, but if it's a really good video, the algorithm is going to find the right audience, and the audience is going to watch. This channel is on the up. 256,000 views. Roughly $500. But that's just the start. Because look at this. President's Play. 1.5 million views. 256,000 views. It's on the up again. But anyway, that's all the channel examples I have for today. And if you want to see me make one of these channels like this, although yes, it's going to be very hard, I'll do it. Just let me know in the comments down below which one you want me to do. The one that gets the most likes, I'll go ahead and do it. But please, don't do this. Don't do this. I have no idea how to create that, and I'm going to stress. But if you must, I guess I really have no choice.